Sale of corn to Mexico, but it wasn't enough to pull corn out of the Monday doldrums. AgDay's Michelle Rook has better news about the livestock sector in markets now.
A mixed day in cattle and grains on Monday. Kent Beadle with Paradigm Futures is back with us. Okay, cattle market, a pretty volatile day. You had talk about screwworm and higher cash trade kind of competing with a bearish cattle and feed report, right?
Yeah, it was reported that some cattle were found to have a screwworm and that had originated out of Mexico. And the reports were that the border was then going to close. That could result in, a disruption of as many as 100,000 feeder cattle per month. And so we ended up with a sharply higher open on Monday, in both cattle and feeder cattle up over $5 at one point. But it's like many pieces of news, when you don't get the full story, it becomes difficult to trade it. And, ultimately we had another piece of news from last Friday, which was the cattle on feed report. That cattle on feed report, of course, had told us that we had 104% of a year ago cattle that had been placed into feedlots. And that's a little additional supply and, the kind of offset the bullishness.
No doubt. Soybeans, we actually ended higher, but off session highs here too. Was that market, building off the reversal from Friday, or were we still trying to trade some of these rumors that China is buying more beans?
Certainly, there have been rumors of additional Chinese sales. We believe Chinese sales are going to be ongoing through the month of December, except the window that we're selling into is a little more narrow. So the size of the sales are going to start to come down. We also had a really reasonably good export inspections report on Monday.
And corn faded some big Mexican business. Why?
Probably the main reason is that we're a couple days away from first notice day. And there are a lot of December basis contracts out there that still need to get priced. And so, with an early rebound in the corn market, I think we saw some hedge pressure in the corn. And corn also was reacting to the lower wheat trade.
All right. Thanks so much, Kent Beadle with Paradigm Futures. We'll have more AgDay coming up.